In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a client in Jobber. Now, perhaps you're spring cleaning your database or just need to remove a client that no longer fits within your records. Whatever the reason, we're here to walk through the straightforward process of deleting a client from your Jobber account. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is fire up your preferred web browser and search for Jobber. You'll want to navigate to the Jobber homepage. If you already have it bookmarked, all the better for a swifter start. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, follow the simple steps to sign up and enter your login details. Remember to ensure that all your credentials are kept secure and private. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the navigation menu located on the left side of the dashboard. Here, you're looking for the Clients tab. Clicking on this will take you to a listing of all the clients that you currently have on the platform. This is where we'll find the specific client you wish to delete from your records. Now it's time to search for that client. There might be quite a few names in your list, so use the search field prominently displayed at the top. Enter the client's name to quickly filter through the list to find the correct one. After locating your client, click on their name to bring up their profile page. This is where all the information about your client is stored and where we will take our next action. Look around until you spot the More Actions button. This is typically located within the client's profile and grants you several options. At this stage, click More Actions. A drop-down menu will appear showcasing a list of options. Among those options, you'll see Delete Client. Select this option to proceed. But hold on just a second. You're going to be faced with a confirmation message. This confirmation dialog is your final checkpoint, warning you that this deletion is permanent. Carefully review the warning provided, as once confirmed, the client's data cannot be restored. If you are absolutely certain you want to proceed, click to confirm, and just like that, the client is deleted from your Jobber account. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a client from Jobber, making your database just that little bit cleaner. Remember, always take a moment to verify you're deleting the correct entry, as there's no going back once this action is completed. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this guide was helpful.